to utilize two different rods. This is a Velcro roller. The Velcro roller will give you a lot of volume. Remember, the bigger the Velcro, the more loose the curl, but the more volume you would get. So you would want to utilize these two and mixing them depending how you want the versatility on your hair. You may want to utilize a Velcro roller from the front end here, maybe all the way to the back to give a lots of volume. But if you do want this beach wave effect, you may want to utilize these beach sponge rod. That's what we call the beach sponge rod because they give you the beach wave effect. And they are very good to utilize because you can go to bed with it, as this is a little bit more rigid to go to bed, not easy to sleep with. So that's what you would want to utilize these two, is to give you this more flowing and more natural look that when you have curly hair or wavy hair, your hair does not always curl the same way, but this time you have control of how you want your hair to go. Right, my friend, let's get some volume and recreate the hairstyle that I show you. So this is going to be step by step. You're going to have a teasing brush who has a pick, so you can section your hair the way you want, and you can also tease your hair. So this is a very, very good brush. There's two picks that you can use. You can use this pick right here that has a very fine pick. It's so easy for you. If this one is easy, that's fine. Or you have this one that is a little bit bigger. See, so it depends. You can use this pick right here that has a very fine pick. It's so easy for you. If this one is easy, that's fine. Or you have this one that is a little bit bigger. See, so it depends, but both of them do the same job. They have the same function. So what we're going to do today is you first of all going to get the volume right here for the hairstyle that I show you on the video. So you're going to section your hair right here. So this is right here. This is your eye right here. So this is where you want to section, just right here. And then at the top end here, you're going to take this and you're going to make like a circle. Just take that and make like a circle. Okay, so you're going to These are beach wave permanent rod, and they were designed for people who had previously utilized bleach on their hair, because the bleach solution that we use were designed to work on previously bleach hair, but also for somebody who doesn't want some lots of volume but more flexible
you have
wave and more loose wave, and it will give you actually a beach
this
wave.
Is going to be step
and that's
by
what
step.
the pure beach wave rod. So they are very easy to utilize.
So
you can utilize this on long hair, and you can also utilize this on short hair. This is like a mouth, and here you open up. And of course you want to use this when your hair is wet, and use some setting lotion and just wrap it, turn it, and they are very easy to work with. And you will need one of these little pen, and this is it. This is very easy. So this can be utilized on long hair, but it can also be utilized with short hair, because you may want to have some wave. You may not necessarily want to have volume. You may just want to have the flexibility to have some kind of a wave but no volume. It will give you a little volume if you want to, depending how you're going to set that rod. You can twist it like this and just put that pen in there, and there you are. And this is what I like about this is you can also utilize this if you're going to go to bed. This is perfect. Just put a bonnet inside all over your hair, and then there you are. So you would see this, what I've used on this video. That's what we call the beach perm rod. All right, my friend, I hope that you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed create this video for you. Now, I see you next time. Au revoir, c'est Chantal Ponce. Merci et à très bientôt. Au revoir.